Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to make alien in Infinite Craft. So let's get into the video. So open up Infinite Craft, and here we're going to start off with fire. So fire, add it with water. It's going to give you a steam, and add it with fire. It's going to give you an engine, then add it with again engine. I'll give you a rocket. And then now we're going to open up water, so we're gonna get water here and then add it with water again, and that will give you a lake. And then that lake you just add it with the rocket and you'll get a space. And then now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add a earth, so we're gonna have earth here, and then add it with wind. So if you add it with wind, it's gonna give you dust, and then dust again, add it with earth, it's going to give you a planet. So planet again, if you add it with earth, it's going to give you a moon, and then moon if you add it with a space, and that's it, and alien will be the results. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.